Hello friends, astrologer Atanu Basu here. Before you watch this, go check my previous predictions. I clearly said between 11 to 22nd April there will be religious madness, and on 22nd a terror attack happened. I also said after 30th May India would take strong revenge. I had warned about 2025 solar eclipse and the dangerous combo of Rahu and Saturn in Pisces, leading to religious wars, terror attacks and philosophical conflicts. And look around, it's exactly happening now. I have been saying this since 2023. World War III energy is rising. This is astrology's power. Now listen carefully. India is no longer the soft country you knew. Astrologically, India is shifting from Moon to Mars Mahadasha. And Mars means aggression, war and leadership. From now till 2032, India will be bold, taking back POK and China-occupied Kashmir, resolving border conflicts, booming in real estate and investments, and crushing enemies without mercy. Mars is fired up till June 7th, so expect strong military actions, escalation, and aggressive foreign policy moves. Meanwhile, Rahu-Saturn bad combo is active till May 18th. More religious tensions and possible terror attempts will happen. Enemies thinking they are dealing with old India will be shocked. This is new India, and I assure you by 2025 end, big ships are coming worldwide. May Ma Bagalamukhi gives us strength. JaiHind, BharatMataKiJai.